Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. In this video, we will presentation about maximum app digital payment system analysis and introduce myself is Anggi Rahmanillah and my member is Muhammad Hanif Abdullah, Rafi Hakim, and Suklawan Dana Gilang Nurmawan. In my in my case, in the input in my case is limitation will exist within the maximum application, particularly the lack of integrated payment method with digital banking system and commonly used e-wallet. And my process in the case is the system design process is carried out in a structured manner using the Unified Modeling Language method, the UML, which is select for its ability to visually represent, document, and clearly communicate system component to the entire development team. And output in the case is this research aim to develop the maximum application by adding a more flexible cashless payment feature to enhance user confidence and security. And this is one introduction, and this is background in the class. Maxim is a digital transportation service which used by the public to support daily mobility. As part of the rapidly evolving digital transformation, this application provides confidence in active transport service. However, several limitations remain, including the absence of integrated digital payment methods such as QRIS and e-wallet and user interface, the lack of feature to meet specific user needs. To address the issue, a structural system development approach is required. This study uses Unified Modeling Language to ML to visually and systematically describe the system, ensuring better documentation and understanding during the development process. And this is have problem identification and have problem statement. In problem identification, in the case is the maximum application do not yet offer digital payment option via QRIS or e-wallet, limiting user confidence and stability in making transaction. And problem statement in here is how can QRIS and e-wallet payment method be integrated into the Maxim application to enable users to make digital transaction more easily, quickly, and flexibly. And this is have scope and objectives. Scope of research is the research focus only on the development and integration of digital payment features. Example, QRIS and e-wallet within the Maxim app. And two, scope in the case is system analysis and design are carried out using the UML approach to describe the process flow and system structure. And research objective in the case is to understand user needs regarding digital payment feature, to provide recommendation for improving the payment system to make it more practical and enhance service quality. And benefits in the case is supporting the creation of a more effective and efficient digital payment process, and two, expanded payment options based on user preference, and two, research method in the case. And research methods in the case is from functional and literature review. Use this method because Questionnaire distribute to maximum users to gather feedback about their payment experience, challenge, and preference. And literature review is to involve collecting reference from journal, article, and user review to understand current trend, problem, and solution in digital payment system.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hanif Abdullah with student ID number 23040700001. I am from group 2. Today I will present chapter 2 of our research, which is theoretical basis, focusing on digital payment system. Uh, the development of information technology in online transaction. The use of information technology in online transaction has grown rapidly in the era of globalization. Paramata and Aditya 2020. In this era, technology has changed the way we pay. According to Paramata and Aditya, the use of digital tools in online transaction has rapidly increased. Uh, one prominent or one important one important technology is the use of digital e-wallet or digital wallet with QR code, a two-dimensional barcode that stores data and is easy to access. RD and Farrell 2023. And problem in the Maxine application, the Maxine ride-hailing app still use a cash-only payment system, which cause inconvenience for users who prefer using digital payments such as e-money or QR code. In today's digital era, users expect fast and practical payments method. The lack of QR or a wallet payments option limits flexibility and does not align with the trend of cashless transaction, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, where physical money is considered a virus transmission medium. Uh, Solution and QR code payment trends. Proposed solution. Implementing a QR code based digital payment system will simplify student transaction and reduce cash usage. This system is supported by applications such as OVO, Dana, GoPay, and mobile banking. With key features, user registration, login, top up, scan to pay, transfer, and transaction history. Mayanti 2020. Global trend in QR code digital payment. QR code mobile payment have become widely used, starting in China and India and spreading across South Asia, Europe, and America. Aaron 2022. According to PricewaterhouseCoopers, the global volume of mobile payment transaction reached 300 billion US dollar in 2020. Hajaji et al. 2021. There are two main types of QR codes. First, static content can be modified and dynamic can be edited but requires access to the original account. Al Rasdan 2022. Unified Modeling Language, as known as UML. UML is a visual language that helps us design and understand system behavior. Key point: first, visual language used to analyze and design object-oriented system. Second, standardized syntax for documenting software structure and behavior. Third, core diagram or UML diagram include use case, class, start chart, activity sequence, collaboration, component, deployment. And core abstraction, first, structural classification. Second, dynamic behavior. Third, model management. Modeling and UML advantage. What is modeling? Modeling is depict real world system through efficient, purposeful representation. Good modeling focus on essential behavior. Unnecessary detail can obscure insight. Sutejo 2016. Why use UML? Because unifies communication between developers and stakeholders via clear visual, and serves as a blueprint for structured, scalable, secure, and reliable design. Facilitates better planning and maintenance throughout the software lifecycle, and adopted by major companies such as Microsoft and IBM. Mockup: branding as a competitive strategy, boosting product competitiveness through branding. Content or bullet points: branding builds a unique identity. Name, logo, colors, packaging, and slogan. And it's help product stand out in the market. And strong branding increase recognition and trust. And visual element communicates brand values effectively. Arifuddin et al. 2021. The role of mockup in branding. Content bullet point. Mockups are high-resolution static design, and they showcase interface layout, typography, icons, and navigation, and allow user and investor to feel the product before it exists. Improve perceived product value and brand clarity.
Three analysis of current system. Indonesian Peran Technology Company Profile. It is a company that focus on technology and operates in the online transportation service sector and various other additional service. The company operates globally and began entering the Indonesian market in 2018. Since then, Maxim has shown a significant progress and currently operates in more than 200 cities throughout Indonesia. The Maxim application can be downloaded via Android and iOS device with a display that makes it easy for users to order service quickly and efficiently. Its service is also accompanied by an automatic price estimate and a feature to track the driver position directly. With a wide and diverse range of service, Maxim continues to strive to be an affordable, easily accessible, and adaptably adaptable solution to needs of the nation people in terms of transportation and logistics. Vision and mission of Indonesia First Technology Company. Vision supporting the improvement of the transportation system in Indonesia, providing convenience for the community in carrying out daily activities such as sending documents and daily shopping through courier service and contributing to improving the welfare of maximum in Indonesia. At Alam Shah 2025 mission improving transportation service by improving quality and increasing the number of human resources, improving the quality of the environment by improving transportation facilities and infrastructure aimed at creating a friendly environment. Number 3, positioning elements that support community mobility by improving transportation service to reach city activity and service center safely and comfortable. Current service payment procedure on the maximum application. Actor. Number 1, making a service order. After the user start the process by ordering a service in the Max application. Number 2, displaying payment method option. After size, the system provide payment method option. Cash, maximum balance, crypto. Number 3, selecting a payment method. After the user select one of the available method. Number 4, making a payment. After user, if the selected method is valid, the user make the payment. Number 5, payment verification. After system, the system check the validity of the payment. If sufficient balance, payment received. Problem analysis. After conducting an analysis on the running system, several weaknesses were found in the system, including the current digital payment methods are still limited to cash flow and maximum account balance. Many users are not yet aware on the non-cash payment feature in the Max application. Number 3, there is no integration with popular wallets such as OVO, GoPay, Dana, and Shopify. Number 4, the process of filling the cash flow balance or maximum account balance is still relatively complex and practical. Number 5, payment over service is often paid cash, which can cause risk during transaction and make it difficult for users when do not have change. Number 6, payment for service is still often made with cash, which can cause risk during transaction and make it difficult for users when they do not have change. Number 7, not all areas have access to digital payment feature, which cause difference in user experience across location. Analysis of current system requirement. Analysis of functional and system functional requirement. Functional requirement. Number 1, the system can display a selection of payment method. Number 2, the system can process payment according to the method selected by the user. Number 3, the system can calculate the total service rate automatically. Non-functional system requirement. The system must be accessible 24 hours without interruption, not non-stop service. Number 2, the system is able to provide optimal performance, especially when asked simultaneously by many users. Number 3, the system must have a simple user interface UI UX that is easy for all groups to understand.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan saya Raffi Hakim. Saya ingin mempresentasikan bab 4. Analysis and result. Purpose of process system. Overcoming the limitation of digital payment methods in the Maxim application. Adding QRIS and e-wallet options such as OVO, Dana, GoPay to make it more flexible for users. Payment methods. The following is the process system producers designed to overcome the limitation of digital payment methods in the Maxim application as follows. Payment method selection procedure, such as user can scan QRIS and select e-wallet for payment methods. Draft use case diagram. System design and proposed design. The following is the use case diagram design. We use a use case diagram to describe the functionality of the digital payment system to improve efficiency and user confidence in the Maxim application. This use case diagram is used to relist or describe the relations of one or more actors to the system that will be implemented. The use case diagram is an example of different combinations in the system built in the following figure. Number 1. User can scan QR. Number 2. User can choose a wallet. Number 3. User can enter the nominal. Number 4. User can confirm the payment. Activity diagram design. Activity diagram are a method for visualizing procedural logic, business process, and workflow. It plays a similar role to a flowchart in terms of operation. A workflow that tracks each use case. The characteristics of a use case cover the design step. A diagram with a typical state diagram showing the flow of other system function. Here is the activity diagram of the digital payment system one on the Maxim application. Such as user can select a payment method. Here is the workflow. Thus, the user went to pay cash. If not, the user can choose a payment method such as QRIS or a wallet. If you have chosen a payment method, confirm to the driver to let him know. Then, if the user chooses to pay cash, tell the driver and give him the money. Wireframe creation. Next is the creation of wireframe. Wireframe design is a framework for organizing various things on the application page in the form of items, in the form of image, text, navigation bar, footer, and other. The following is a wireframe of the Maxim application digital payment system. Mock-up creation. To make it easier for users to understand the library information system, we use a user interface. User interface adds a bridge between the user and the system. A good user interface makes it easier for users to access and use digital collection, search for information, and conduct transaction efficiently. The following is a simulation of the prototype. First, press login. Then you can select the pickup location, then enter the destination. If so, select the payment method and press payment methods.
And in here, and this is for order page. This is a history from order, and you can add favorite this order and favorite page. This is address to favorite, and in the menu you can edit profile and log out.
Conclusion: the system design is modern, efficient, and in accordance with the needs of users, especially in terms of ease and security of digital transaction through the Maxim application. Sekian dari kelompok kami. Mohon maaf apabila ada salah kata. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.